In this tutorial we're going to set up the basics of a program that will allow us in Python 3 to develop graphical user interfaces. They're the sorts of things that you're used to in programs. Interfaces that have buttons, text boxes, labels, progress bars, all that kind of thing. So the first thing we need to do, notice I'm in the shell here, I'm not saving the program, I'm just going to write and run single lines of code so that you can see the changes in my code immediately. So the first thing we've got to do is to import two libraries. From Tkinter, import all. Basically the Tkinter library gives us a set of commands that allows us to grab buttons and text boxes and so forth. The second library I'm going to import is like a subset of that, and it's called TTK, and this is a themed or more modern version of some of these widgets like text boxes and buttons again. Now I'm going to create a variable that's going to represent the main window of my program. It's kind of like the base of it all, and it's called the parent. So I'm going to call my program, and I'm going to assign it TK. Now when I pressed enter, what appeared was this little pop-up box. All of my other widgets in my graphical user interface we placed on top of this window. Just move it over here for now. Now I can set some of the properties of this. One property I can set is something as simple as my program .title. And in the parentheses I'm going to pass in a string, so it's in speech marks. And now when I press enter, you'll notice over here in the title bar of the window we have GUI tutorials. In the next tutorial we'll look at how we can add our first widget, which is a label.